Hi, this is John. When you do it, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how I applied Flex Seal to the inside of the gutter. We live in the Jersey Shore, and the Jersey Shore is subject to salt air, and salt air is very corrosive. These are aluminum gutters, and they develop some pits, pinholes. Some holes I noticed were as large as a 1/4 inch in size. So I'm using Flex Seal to coat the inside of the gutter, and you'll see in this video how I spray it. I first clean out the gutter with a vacuum, and then I spray the Flex Seal. So what I did here was I vacuumed the gutter, got rid of all the bits from the roof, and a little bit of debris, whatever dirt collects in there, and then I sprayed it with Flex Seal. So we'll let this cure, and then we'll see what happens in the next rainstorm. So you can see there the Flex Seal is coming through, and that's sealing the hole up there. I might have to patch that with some aluminum first. We'll see. So this is John. When you do it, if you like that video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button, and share the video out with others who you think may have the problem. I could have replaced the gutter. I bought 2 cans of Flex Seal. They're inexpensive at the department store. It took me about 10 minutes to apply the Flex Seal to the inside of the gutter, and I'll apply Flex Seal to the bottom of the gutter as well at a later point. I want to see if this product works. It saved me the cost of installing new gutter, purchase of the gutter, so we'll see if it works. I'll let you know in a while. Thanks for watching.